Okay, so yeah, again, make sure enough space around you and you know your limitations. So do as much your body is allowing you to do. Today we'll try to do at least 36 Surya Namaskars and then some more asanas. So yeah, get ready. We'll start with our routine. So routine is we prepare our body for the exercise. So we'll start with loosening up our joints. So rotate your neck right to left. Breathe in as you go up. Breathe out as you come down. Breathe in as you go up. Breathe out, come down. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Left to right. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. One more time. Up. Breathe in. Down. Breathe out. Your shoulders back. Move your shoulders back. Slowly. Then slowly forward. Make a big circle. Loosen up all those shoulder joints. Arms forward. Bicep touching your ears. Back. Okay, hands on your shoulder forward. Do it slowly. Go backward. Okay, elbows up and down. Rotate in one direction. Change direction. Wrists in one direction first. Change direction. Then your fingers, thumb. Now hands on your waist and keep your feet shoulder width apart and rotate your waist clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Hands on your knees and clockwise. Keep your feet still together. Clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Okay, now open and close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Now other way around, outside in. Okay, lift up your right leg, rotate your ankles in one direction. Change direction. Up, down, sideways. Change leg, left leg, rotate ankles in one direction. Change direction. Up, down, sideways. Shake your body and then slowly start jogging. Start jogging. Keep jogging slowly. Arms up, arm movements, leg movements. Slowly we start rotating our blood all over the body, making it flow everywhere and warm up our body. Do not rush. Breathe in, breathe out through your nose. Okay, high knees. Hips back. Normal jogging. Increase the speed. Okay, alternate arms and legs. Side twister. Jumping. Return forward skipping. Backward. Jumping. Star jump. Jumping. Slow down. Check your legs. We'll do breathing now. Hands on your side. Deep breathe in first. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, come up, arms up on your toe. Hold. Breathe out. Again, deep breathe in. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, arms up on your toe. Hold. Breathe out. Okay, we'll do continuous movement. We'll do left, right, and both and up. 16 into 5. So if you can't do it, you can just do hand movement, leg movement as well. If you can't jump continuously, just trying to flow the blood all over the body. सतत योग प्रकार एक करो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 left right both up left right both up. Check your legs. Get ready for the wood chopper breath. So you all know the drill. Feet shoulder width apart. Hold X. Breathe in. Breathe out through your mouth. Relax. Hold your breath for some time. Next one is Bhastrika, pumping one. So hands on your side, faced 10 to 12 times at your own pace. Start. Yes, hold your breath. Our body is nicely warmed up, ready now. We'll do some dynamic stretches before the Surya Namaskar. So breathe in, neck up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Back to front, to left. Then front, right, front, tilt to left, ear to shoulder, front, right, ear to shoulder, right arm across, stretch, stretch, left arm across, stretch, stretch, right hand up, push from elbow, hold it from back, stretch, change, left arm up, push from elbow, hold it from back, sideways 4 4 8 times both side. 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spread your legs and touch your ankles 8 times. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch in front, then middle, then between your legs, then left leg. Hold your left leg, forehead on your left knee. Keep all knees straight. Touch the middle. Now right leg. Hold your right leg, forehead on right knee. Keep your knee straight. Back to middle again. Now breathe in and up and go back. Okay, go sideways, right side. Stretch, stretch. Left side. Stretch, stretch. Okay, lift up your right leg towards your chest. Chest, stretch. Then right side. Then back. Knees together. Change, left leg up. Sideways. Back up. Last bit of hamstring and calf muscles. So right leg in front. Keep your right leg set as long as you're getting nice stretch on your calf muscle, hamstring. Hold your back toe, touch the floor and sweep the floor. Now get a bit further forward. You can keep it up as well. If you feel nice stretch onto your calf muscles, hamstring, you won't be able to put it down. Forehead on your front knee. Breathing up. Change, left leg in front. Stretch your calf muscles, hamstring, keep it straight. Touch the floor, sweep the floor. Now get it a bit further forward. Touch the floor, forehead on front knee. Stretch, and relax. That's it about stretching. We'll now move on to Surya Namaskar. I'll put the music. Just relax. Take some breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Surya Namaskar Siddhi. Join your heels, your toes, and hands. ध्येय सदा सवितृमण्डल मध्यवर्ती नारायण सरसिजा सनसन्निविष्टा केयूरवान् मकरकुण्डलवान् किरीटी हारी हिरण्मय वपुर्धृतशङ्खचक्रः ॐ मित्राय नमः करो एक breathe in up, go breathe out down, 3 left leg back, breathe in, 4 right leg back, breathe out, hold your breath, forehead chest knee touching the floor, breathe in cobra, breathe out downward dog, left leg in front, breathe in, right leg in front, breathe out, breathe in, namaskar asan. Om Ravaye Namaha. Take breathe in, go breathe out, 3 breathe in, 4 breathe out, hold your breath, forehead chest knee touching the floor, breathe in cobra, breathe out downward dog, right leg in front, breathe in, left leg in front, breathe out, breathe in, back to namaskar asan. Om Suryaya Namaha. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, hold your breath, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and breathe in. Om Bhanave Namaha. एक, दो, तीन, चार, 5 6 7 8 9 10. Om Khagaya Namaha. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Om Pushne Namaha. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, hold, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in cobra. Breathe out downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in. Namaskarasana. Om Marichaye Namaha. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in cobra. Breathe out downward dog. Right leg in front, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in. Namaskarasana. Om Adityaya Namaha. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Om Savitre Namaha. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Om Arkaya Namaha. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Om Bhaskaraaya Namaha. 1 breathe in, 2 breathe out. Right leg back, 3 breathe in, 4 breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in cobra. Breathe out downward dog. Right leg in front, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in. Namaskarasana. 13th one. Om Shri Savitru Surya Narayanaya Namaha. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Relax. I'll run the video now. You can just take some break, 30 seconds. So just get ready now. If you want to drink water, just have some water. So yeah, we are going to do at least 36 or maybe more depending on the time. You can do more, less, you can take break in between. It's okay. Just listen to your body and do as much as your body is allowing you to do. Do not overdo. Okay, slowly we have to increase the stamina. Okay, get ready now. I'll start the video. It's with music. This is 13th one in the video, so when they come up, we'll go with them for the 14th one. Okay, so everybody get ready. I'm starting the video. Breathe out. Start. Breathe in. Breathe out. Right leg, breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left leg, breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Breathe out. Go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Breathe out. Go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Breathe out. Go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Breathe out. Breathe in. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Breathe out. Start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Breathe out. Go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Breathe out. Go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Namaskar. Just 30-second break. Relax. Deep breathe in, breathe out. Now we'll just take break on 36 and we might do 40 today because we are going to do up to 8:30. So we can do 6 more. Okay, get ready. Be standing up. I'll start and then you breathe out and then start. Go. Breathe out. Left leg, breathe in. Right leg. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go. Hey. Go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start to stay in each pose for 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 second to move and 1 second to hold in that position. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go. 1, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, 9, 10. Relax. So we did 36. I think we can do 48. If you want to do 48, you can do all 48 or wait on 40. So that way, we are doing more. So just breathe in, breathe out. We'll stop at 48 and then we'll take break and we'll do some yoga asans. Okay, get ready. We'll start. Ready. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left leg. Right leg. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left leg. Right leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in. Go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. We'll be doing 2 more to make it 48, multiple of 12. Breathe in. Breathe out. Right leg. Left leg. Hold. Breathe in, breathe out. 48 1 now. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Hold. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, relax. We'll just quickly do the namaskar. Slok, ending slok. Just stay here. Adityasya namaskaran ye kurvanti dine dine आयु प्रज्ञा बलम वीर्यम तेजस्ते शांत जायते. Rama, 1 2 3. Just relax for 30-40 seconds. We'll be doing more poses on downward dog, so lying down. So just you can adjust your camera. If you want drink water, have some sip. So some of the poses might be difficult, but just see how much you can do. I'll try to explain 3 or 4 before we move on into each. So first one is the standard downward dog, you all know. So we'll be doing that. Then we did, I think on Saturday, we did extension. So lifting one leg up, then opening hip, and then bending the leg back, and then putting it down. So we'll do that 4 steps to begin with. So everybody come into position. So hands in line with your mat, feet together, close to each other, and then enter feet touching the floor, heels, toe, sole, your chin tucked to your neck, knee, towards your chest. Your head is in line with your arms. Okay, so this is the downward dog. I'll adjust a bit. Okay, so stay here for 3 count. You can do normal breathe in, breathe out while you're in position. So lift up right leg, straight, straight. Keep it straight to begin with. 1, 2, 3. Now just open it on right side. You will feel stretch onto your hip openings. So yeah, just open right leg up. Now bend it backward, tail wagging dog. 3, 2, 1. Slowly get it up, back to straight and down. Now same with other leg. Lift your left leg up, keep it straight. Then open onto left side. Your hip openings. 3, 2, 1. Bend your left leg back on your hip, tail wagging dog. 3, 2, 1. Slowly up, straight it up, down. Now come onto your knees, relax, relax. Now next one, we'll just do one leg up and one hand up, okay? Hand can be on your side. We'll do that both side. So we'll be on only 2 hands, 2 legs, or one hand, one leg basically. So we'll just do this on both side to begin with. Breathe in, breathe out when you are in this position. Okay, go again, downward dog, feet together. Lift up your right leg up and left hand onto your side if you can. 3, 2, 1. Slowly down, both down. Now left leg up and right hand onto your side. 3, 2, 1. Slowly down, down, relax, relax, relax. Now next one, We'll try to cross our hand and head is between your arms and then try to do. So you can see, just adjust your distance, cross your hands, entire feet on the floor, stay as long as you can. 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. You'll see you feel stretch onto your triceps, different part of the body, you know. So we stretch different muscles. If you want, we can do one more time this because this is something new. So basically, cross your hand first and your head, take it out. My headphone. Cross your hands and head is close to your chest. Cross it as much as you can. Stay here. 3, 2, 1. Knees down. Relax. Relax. Now next one, we'll just do simple one. Lift the right leg up and then knee towards your chin. Okay. So we'll do 3 times on right side and 3 times on left side. So come into downward dog. Lift up your right leg and then knee close to your chin. Back up. Again close to your chin. Back up. One more time. We'll do 2 more time. Breathe out, go back. Breathe in front. Breathe out back. Breathe in front. Now keep it down. Lift up other leg, left leg. Get it in front towards your chin, knee. Then back. Front. Back. Front. Back. 2 more times. Front. Back. Last time. Front. And back. Then down. Relax. Relax. Just last 2, 3 more. We'll do dolphin flank. So we go on our wrist or elbow and everything is same. It's called dolphin plank. So hands on the floor up to your wrist, forearms, and then lift up your upper part like downward dog only. Keep your head down as well, in line with your elbow. Keep your calf muscles and hamstring straight. Don't bend your knees. Stay here for 5 count. You can keep your head on the floor, the upper side of the head. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down, down, relax. Now last 2 are kind of simple. We just walk our hands back towards leg and then walk back in front. And similarly, legs walk towards your hand and walk back again. We'll do three times. Okay, both. So coming to dolphin, uh, downward dog. We'll start with our hands. So walk your hands back, come into forward fold, Uttanasana, stretch. Try to touch your forehead on your knee, then go forward. 1, come back again, forehead on your knee, go front. 2, one more time. Walk, 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 forehead on your knee, and then go in front. Now we'll do leg walking, mountain climbing, but the result is same, forward fold. Start. 1, 2, 3, forehead on your knee, walk back, keep your hand still. Again, front, straight on your knee, forehead on your knee, walk back slowly. Third time. Forward on the knee. Walk back. Relax. Come into kneeling position. We'll just do child pose. Before that, just take 2 breaths. Okay. Slowly just go in child pose. Balasana. Hands can be just on your side. Relax. Or take it towards your heels. Relax. Come up. Go on your back. We did lots of back one because of the downward dog. So just relax your back. Relax. Just lift up your both knees. Hold it them towards tightly and then swing forward backward. A release pose. Pawan Muktasan. Also massage to your back. Slowly. Don't stretch. Just do it to get some massage. Then sideways. Massage to your hips. Okay. Let it go your legs. Relax. We'll do happy child pose, Anand Balasan. So lift up your feet, hold your sole, the middle part of your feet from inside. Do not stretch anything, but eyes should be parallel to the floor. Toes towards your eye and look them. Keep smiling. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Happy child pose. Now slowly relax. Keep your feet down. Go into Savasana. Entire feet, entire body touching the floor. Relax. Just relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Inflate your tummy. Deflate your tummy. Close your eyes. Just think of what all things we did today. All the poses that we did related to downward dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana, different variations of them. And we did total 48 Surya Namaskars today. So that's good. Well done to all of you. Now slowly take your right hand up, close to your right ear, left hand onto your chest, onto your heart. Go sideways onto your right side, bend your left knee. And then with the support of your hand, lift your body up. You can keep your eyes closed. Just sit relaxed, nice Sukhasana in cross leg position. Keep your eyes closed, hands on your knees, and make a mudra, Jnana Mudra, index finger forcing onto your thumb. We'll do pranayam now. So we'll start with pranav. Pranav is deep breathe in, deep breathe out. 5 seconds breathe in, 5 seconds breathe out for 30 seconds. So start. Last time. Next one, we'll do Udgit, the chanting of Om. So U and Ma, all 3 syllables, chant them. We'll do 3 times. So deep breathe in. Breathe in. Last time, breathe in. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one we'll do Kapalbhati. So deep breathe in to begin with and exhale continuously through your nose. If you don't have any heart problem or blood pressure problem, then you keep doing it normally. If you have that problem, then you have to inhale as well. So we'll do continuously for 1 minute at least. Only thing moving is your tummy. No part of the body should be moving. If you have heart or BP problem, you can inhale as well like this. So you can decide as per your body, your physical condition, you can do it. Keep doing it. Okay, when you are done, normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one, we'll do Shitali. So open your mouth and then your tongue make a U shape and breathe into your tongue, making noise, squirking noise. Once you breathe in, then close your mouth, hold your breath for some time, and breathe out through your nose. We'll do 3 times at least. So yeah, come into position. Again, open. Third time, open your mouth. Next one is Shitkari, the same with the teeth. So open your lips completely and keep your teeth together like this. And then breathe in through your teeth all the way, making a noise. Once you completely breathe in, then close your lips, hold for some time, and breathe out through your nose. So 3 times at your own pace. Third time. We'll just do some all the 3 bandhas. One is neck bandh, Jalandhar bandh, Udyan bandh, your tummy, and Mula bandh is your navel, below your navel. We'll do one at a time. We'll just do two times, and then we'll do all 3 locks as well. So locks. So deep breathe in, breathe out. When you breathe out, bend your neck forward, lock your neck, keep holding for 8 seconds, and then breathe in as you unlock. Now we'll do 2 more times. So breathe in, breathe out, and lock. Breathe in. One more time now. Deep breathe in. Breathe out and lock. Now breathe out. Next one is Udyan Ban, our chest and solar plex. Same way. So deep breathe in, breathe out. Now you push your tummy inside your near your backbone and lock it. So tummy basically try to go inside, lock, and then breathe out. One more time. Deep breathe in, breathe out, and then push your tummy backwards towards your back and lock your tummy and solar plex area. Udyan Ban. Hold for 8 seconds and then release. Next one is Moolband, the groin lock. So like we're holding our anus and pelvic area. So deep breathe in, breathe out, and then hold your anus and pelvic area tight, lock it, then breathe out. One more time, deep breathe in, breathe out, and then lock your anus and pelvis area, lock it, lock it, release. We'll do one time all three locks. So deep only one time. All three lock neck, solar plex, and your groin. So deep breathe in, breathe out, and lock. Breathe in. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Last one is the Brahmari, the humming sound, the buzzing sound. So close your ears, your eyes, your mouth, and we'll do three times. Chanting home with our mouth closed. Mm. 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 Keep your eyes closed. I'll be saying the Vishwa Prathana, prayer for all. Say it in your mind after me. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kachit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. In English, may all become happy, may all be free from illness, may all see what is auspicious, may no one suffer. Let there be peace everywhere. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Raise your hand, brush your palms, make them warm. Keep brushing, keep brushing. When they're warm enough, then make a cup onto your face, onto your eyes. Transfer the energy back onto your face. Massage gently your eyes first with your fingers, then forehead, then side of the forehead, just above your ear and back of the neck, and open your eyes slowly. Namaste. Dhanyavad. I'll stop the recording.